Today's recipe is this amazing black sea bass with vegetables. It's quick and easy, so stick around to see how I make it. Lime juice, 1/4 cup. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons. Sesame oil, 1 tablespoon. 5 spice powder, 1 teaspoon. Freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Fresh chopped thyme, 1 tablespoon. Grated ginger, 1 tablespoon. Grated garlic, 1 tablespoon. Mix. 4 large heads of portobello mushrooms, organic preferable. 5 or 6 carrots, peeled and cut in half lengthwise. Asparagus, 1 nice bunch. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoons of the marinade. Actually, I'm going to use 3. Mix. It smells delicious. Black sea bass. These are about 1 pound each. One is slightly larger. Good. I'm going to sprinkle some fresh ground black pepper on it. Salt is optional. The soy sauce has salt, so you want to be careful. I'm going to coat the fish with the marinade. Some of it on the inside as well. I'm going to add some scallions in here, garlic cloves, lots of fresh thyme. I'm going to layer the carrots. I like to put the cut side down. This is a lot of veggies. Spread the remaining stuff all around. Mushrooms. These mushrooms are going to shrink down to a very small amount. Bake at 425 degrees preheated oven. Now I wait. Amazing, it smells delicious. Asparagus are cooked. I actually put a foil wrap just lightly covering the scallions because they started to kind of burn halfway through, but these are perfect now. I'm going to have to taste it. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that flakiness. It's moist. Oh my gosh. Gotta get that bone out of there. Wow. Wow. That is super delicious. It's amazing.